Sunflower oil begins its journey far from the factory, in endless golden fields like these.
Each sunflower holds hundreds of oil-rich seeds, carefully grown and harvested at the perfect time.
After harvesting, the sunflower seeds are transported directly to modern oil processing factories.
The journey continues as sunflower seeds arrive at highly secured processing facilities.
Every delivery is carefully weighed and documented to ensure quality control.
Before processing, seeds are inspected to remove damaged or low-quality material.
Strict hygiene and safety protocols protect both the workers and the product. Magnetic detectors ensure no metal contamination enters the process.
Clean seeds are stored safely in temperature-controlled silos.
Advanced cleaning systems remove dust, stones, and unwanted particles. Only clean, high-quality kernels continue to the oil extraction stage. First, the outer shells of the sunflower seeds are carefully removed. The flakes are gently heated to prepare them for pressing. Golden sunflower oil flows naturally from the pressed seeds. The kernels are gently crushed to release the oil inside. Now, the oil extraction begins through powerful mechanical presses. Steam conditioning improves oil flow and efficiency. This process increases surface area for maximum oil extraction. The remaining press cake is collected for animal feed or further processing. This filtration step improves clarity and purity.
This crude oil now moves to the refining stage.
Freshly extracted oil is first filtered to remove solid particles. These unwanted compounds are separated without harming oil quality.
Centrifugal force efficiently removes the separated gums.
Degumming removes natural gums and phospholipids from the oil. Neutralization ensures the oil's taste and stability. Multiple washing stages guarantee food-grade purity. Vacuum drying removes all remaining moisture. To achieve crystal clear oil, activated clay is added to remove pigments and impurities.
The oil is now refined and ready for final purification.
Each batch is tested for perfect clarity and color standards. After bleaching, the oil is filtered to remove all clay residues. The clay attracts unwanted pigments, purifying the oil naturally. Odor removal ensures the oil is neutral and fresh. Steam deodorization gently removes unwanted volatile compounds. Strict safety checks protect both the product and the facility. The vacuum system ensures complete removal of odors and moisture. Every batch is tested before moving to storage and bottling. Each drop is perfectly measured for quality and consistency.
Clean bottles are prepared and loaded onto the automated filling line. Each bottle is thoroughly sanitized to ensure hygiene. The oil is now fully refined, pure, and ready for packaging. Automated systems fill each bottle accurately with pure sunflower oil. Branded labels are applied carefully for every bottle.
Every bottle is inspected to meet strict quality standards.
Carefully packed pallets are loaded onto trucks for distribution.
Filled bottles are packed securely into boxes for shipping.
Every truck is inspected to ensure safe transport of the products. Automated palletizing ensures safe transportation and storage. As the sun sets, production continues under strict safety and quality protocols.
This state-of-the-art factory produces high-quality sunflower oil every day. Before shipping, every batch undergoes strict quality testing.
The sunflower oil is now ready to leave the factory and reach customers worldwide. Dedicated teams ensure every batch meets the highest standards before leaving the facility. Every part of the facility is designed for efficiency, safety, and quality. The sunflower oil begins its journey to retailers and customers worldwide. The factory operates round the clock to supply fresh sunflower oil worldwide.
Efficient logistics ensure timely delivery of fresh sunflower oil.
From field to bottle, the journey of sunflower oil is precise, clean, and inspiring.
Lab tests check for acidity, moisture, and overall purity.
Sensory evaluations ensure perfect color, clarity, and aroma.
Certified labels guarantee authenticity and traceability of every bottle. Labels are applied accurately, ensuring compliance and branding.
Batch verification ensures traceability and safety for consumers.
Every bottle is inspected one last time before packing.
Every pallet is ready for secure transportation to markets worldwide. Branded bottles reflect quality, purity, and care.
The journey continues as sunflower oil heads to retail stores across the country.
Transparent labeling and clear oil give confidence in every purchase.
Pallets are carefully delivered to retail stores and supermarkets.
Pure, golden, and ready to enrich your meals, Milan. Sunflower oil at its best.
Consumers can trust that each bottle meets the highest quality standards.
From shelf to kitchen, the oil retains its freshness, purity, and flavor.
Our dedicated team makes sure every bottle is pure, fresh, and safe for your kitchen.
Families trust this oil for healthy cooking every day.
And that's how sunflower oil is made. Maize, from seed to bottle, ensuring quality every step of the way.
From seed to shelf, every step is controlled for quality and freshness.
Every bottle is placed perfectly for consumers to find easily. From field to factory to your home, every step ensures the highest quality sunflower oil.
Efficient logistics ensure fresh oil reaches consumers quickly and safely.
Subscribe now to explore more behind-the-scenes processes like this. Dedicated teams work tirelessly to maintain quality from morning to evening.
Our team's commitment guarantees purity, safety, and freshness.
Pure, golden, and ready to enrich your meals. Strict hygiene and safety protocols protect both workers and the oil.
From the field to your home, every step is precise, safe, and inspiring.
From the golden fields to the modern factory, every step is carefully managed.
Sunflower oil, pure, fresh, and crafted with care. From our fields to your table.